Hi everyone! Today's video is a super quick one on cooking corn on the cob in the Instant Pot. It's almost embarrassing how easy this is, but it's awesome how perfectly cooked the corn turns out. I'm using a 6-quart pot today, but you can cut ears in half to fit in a mini or add more if you have a larger pot. All you need is 1 cup of water, or use 2 if you're using an 8-quart pot, a short trivet, just tall enough to keep the corn out of the water. I want them to steam instead of boil. I have 6 ears of corn that I've already shucked and cleaned. Keep them whole or cut them into smaller pieces if you want more corn to fit in. You can play Tetris to jam in as many of these in here as you can. Lock and seal the lid and set it to cook on high pressure for 2 minutes, followed by a quick pressure release. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to let these set aside for a few minutes until they cool off enough for me to handle, and then I'll rub them with butter and season them up. I've always been a plain salt and pepper girl, but I just found this seasoning at Trader Joe's last week, and it might be my new favorite for corn. If I had to describe it, I would say that it's as if tahini and ranch had a baby together, and tahini had the dominant genes. Anyway, yum. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, ingredients and instructions are written below in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
What? I didn't have any corn!